So we bought these lobsters online. They're live, and 20 pounds of lobster, and this whole box is about 30 pounds actually. So let's open it up and see.
Hope they are live.
Seems like there's already some liquid at the bottom there.
They are alive.
Oh wow, they're still alive.
Some of them. This one is still alive. This
Yep.
one is
Still alive.
borderline of. Ooh, these are nice and big actually.
$1.32 pounds for that guy.
This one's a little bigger.
Wow,
1.7.
1.68. Yeah.
It's
Whoa,
bigger
this
than
one's
the other one.
huge. This one's 1.72 pounds.
That's the biggest one
That's
so
the
far.
biggest one so far.
It seems like. Oh, this one is really big, so two. One's dead. This
Ooh,
one's dead.
one dead one. Huh?
No, it looks like it's still moving.
No.
Oh no, it's still moving. Look, it just moved. There it goes. So let's see how
They're all
many
alive.
did we actually get.
$16.
16 lobster. Wow.
Whoa, look at that. They all look like huge bugs.
I can smell the lobster already. It's turning red already. See?
It's done?
Yeah. Ooh la la. See?
Oh yeah, look at that. Take a bite.
Mmm. Oh yeah. Ooh. Look at that. Yum. Yum. Ooh.
I'm gonna roll out the meat.
Somebody was suggesting that. See, look.
Oh wow.
Hey, wow, it actually works. Look at that. Yum, yum, yum. Let's go. Mmm. That was actually the brain. This is actually the brain. I like it. Mmm.
Smells good.
Oh, it's so creamy. Mmm. I think it's better. You cut it on one side, on both sides, one here, and then the other one on this side like this. It's easier that way, I think. Ooh. Ooh la la. Ooh, look at that. Yum. Okay, I'm going to try butter.
Oh, I heard the crunch.
That's really good. And this one with lime, lemon juice, and pepper.
Lime or lemon juice?
Lemon juice, lemon juice. Yeah, I like this one better. It's giving more refreshing taste to it.
How's it compared to the cruise ship lobsters?
Really good. It tastes fresher. I definitely can taste it. It's fresher. So sweet. Oh my goodness. It is so sweet. The sauce is so sweet.
Does it taste better than the
favorite.
tail?
Oh yeah, for sure. My favorite. That is so good. So sweet. Oh, I like this better than the tail. So good. Yum.
Nice and simple. All you did is steam all these lobsters.
It's so sweet and so good that I don't have any desire to dipping anything. I just want to eat it by itself like that to enjoy the full sweetness of the meat. Piece of lobster. Awesome.
Whoa, that's a
Ooh,
gigantic
la
chunk.
la, look at this. Ooh. Oh, so good. Yum. Thumbs up.
Claw up.
That's right.
So remember that seafood tower on the Royal Caribbean? Right. In general, which one's supposed to taste better
Crab or lobster?
in terms of claws?
I think they're equally good.
So does this one taste better than the crab claws from the seafood tower?
Well, because it's live lobster, so yeah, probably I would say. But then
Because you really enjoyed
if I
that
can
one too.
eat it side by side, then I can say it better. But right now, this is just amazing. This is a big amount of broth I can make, and I can put in a freeze some of it also, so I can use in the future.
Smells good.
I know, right?
Lobster broth.
Cut them like that. Then I'm just going to clean the guts, rinse it a little bit, and then once I rinse it, I'm going to cut like this, half again, and I'm going to lightly pan fry it before I stir fry it. Ooh la la!
Good. That smells so good. What do you have in there?
Soy sauce, oyster sauce, ginger, garlic, onion. And then off here. See? Put it in here. Ooh.
Looking good.
This is the water and the potato starch. To thicken the sauce, I'm going to lower the heat a little bit. Whoa. Onion.
Looking good.
Gotta have green onion on top. Not only that, the flavor too. There you go. All done. noodles. Garlic noodles, garlic butter noodles on the bottom. Stir-fried lobster with garlic butter noodles.
Is that the claw meat or the tail?
This is the tail. It's good. This is my first time making this.
Sure smells good.
Almost as good as restaurant.
I'm sure it's better.
Pat myself in the back.
Better ingredients. Oh, this looks like another delicious dish. What is it?
It's Vietnamese udon noodle soup. Lobster. And I make the broth with lobster heads.
Wow.
Vietnamese udon noodle soup.
Yeah. And those are tofu?
Yep,
What else is in it?
that's it.
So tofu and lobster
Tofu, yeah.
and homemade udon.
Yep.
And the udon's from what? Rice flour and tapioca flour?
Yes.
That's a lot of the lobster tail meat.
Yeah. And the claws as well. This I kind of chop up a little bit already to make the lobster roll.